So today is not the norm, but we have something kind of exciting we're getting to go do. And that is look at the brand new 2021 Ford Bronco 4-door. Turning. Atta girl. I mashed my fingers off. You know, say hi. But anyway, we're going to get an up close and personal look at this thing, and that's where we're headed now. So, if that's something you want to see, stay tuned here for this video. And like I said, everybody's had videos of them out, and even out in Eastern Jeep Safari out at Moab and things like that. They got to do a ride along and things like that. This is going to be more up close, personal, really go over the detail of the interior and the exterior and show you as much as the Ford guy will absolutely let us show. That's the plan. And maybe try to bend the rules a little. So, if that sounds cool, hit the like button. Watch the whole video, subscribe, and turn notifications on. Alright, check it out now. So some of the things I want to cover on this exterior is the technology, guys. Obviously you can see a lot of the accents and things like that kind of come over from the Jeep or from the past Bronco. This is loaded with the 360 degree cameras, spotlights in your mirrors, 360 degree lighting on the outside, keyless entry with a push to start. Also, there's your 360 degree camera on the front. This has got that modular design, which is really cool. So the fenders come off really easily, the bumper comes off really easily. Basically the whole rig is very modular. You can see some nice accents here. Just above all, really nice fit and finish. And there's the tailgate, kind of carried over from kind of a Jeep theme. And this is loaded up with the 33-inch tires. I think those are either 16 or 17-inch wheels. I think they're 16s. A gas cap-less tank fill. The mirrors are not connected to the doors anymore, as you can see. And then here I wanted to kind of show you the Bilstein shocks that are under this. That is an upgrade. Full aluminum skid plate. Above all, just a really nice job. So the interior, this is my favorite part here. So big screens everywhere, which if you've talked to Brandy, you know, this is like a sell for me. Everything in this interior is just so well done, so classy looking. I mean, I was just super impressed with everything. Feels good. Everything's really solid feeling. The placement of the switches was really nice. I really love these on top of dash buttons. Also, you've got your auxiliary switches up top. Just key placement on all these buttons, guys. They've really paid attention to the industry and kind of what people want. The seats are really nice. The rear, you got pretty good storage. Those little baskets on the door really aren't worth a damn, but everybody does that for some reason. You've got this cool kind of MOLLE system on the back of the seats. All the power outlets that you could want back here, you know, the USB A and a C, also 110, dual windows for both rear windows, good headroom, a couple of lights back here, so well placed. You've also got your 12 volt in the back, along with a subwoofer built in. This has got that B&O sound system in it. very similar to the storage of a Jeep Wrangler.
Hello. Yeah.
Okay. Get into that, but they go for basically.
This little knob down here is called the GOAT knob. And what this knob's going to do is it's going to allow you to change different modes in your vehicle. And what this does is it automatically changes the sequence of what your vehicle does, enacting four-wheel drive, turning traction control off, etc., etc., for what type of driving you're willing to do. So if you're some kind of, if you're a novice driver or something like that, it's as easy as a turn of a knob. Brandy loves this. For me personally, in my experience in driving, I would rather kind of just work all the things myself. That be the diff lockers and the traction control and four-wheel low and all those kind of things. Okay guys, so we just got to take a look at a couple of Bronco Badlands editions. They were not the Sasquatch package, but they were so close. Really the only thing that didn't make it a Sasquatch was it had 33-inch tires instead of 35s. And what was the other thing? Maybe missing the winch, something like that. Very cool. These rigs, I'm pretty excited about it. I absolutely love the interior. I mean, they're just killing it with the interior, from the accessory switches up top to your traction control and all your buttons that are on top of the screen display, to the way that the GOAT system works in the center column. I mean, I just absolutely loved it all.
Yeah, that's really cool. Even if you weren't driving off-road, I would like to have that little GOAT mode. If it's slippery and there's ice, turn it to slippery. Yeah. It'd be so nice for somebody who's not great at driving like me.
Yeah, somebody to know what's going on.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we met Skip out here. Absolutely awesome guy.
Knew a lot about it.
Knew a lot about the Broncos, knew a lot about where to go off-roading and check stuff out in different places that we like exploring. So Skip, I know you're probably watching this. Thank you for chatting with us. And we hope to see you soon so we can get behind the wheel of one of those things, or at least behind the passenger seat while you get behind the wheel.
Yeah.
But guys, I think that just like Jeep, our Jeep changed so much from the time that we bought it to the time that we've customized it. These things don't look that aggressive right now. And I think once you start throwing mods and add-ons and accessories on this thing, you can make this thing look like a, battle tank, or whatever you want. Anyway, looks like there's a ton of stuff going on under the hood. There's things everywhere. You can kind of tell it's not quite finished. I mean, from what I think, it probably needs some cowls and some covers and stuff like that. Whether or not they do that, I don't know.
One thing that I wish it had that our old Bronco has is that drop-down tailgate is so nice. Like, you have this swing-out one like the Jeep, and it's not really useful for anything, but you have that drop-down tailgate. You have this huge table already ready. I don't know. Yeah. For me, I really like that.
I think the Jeep route is kind of, they made that accessory on the back. Like, you can open the tailgate and then you can put a table on it and all that.
Yeah, but if you already have a giant tailgate, you already have a table. You don't even need that tiny little thing.
I really had thought, personally, I thought that they were going to make it where you could do either.
Either one.
You could open it or you could drop it down. That would have been really cool. So Brandy sat in the back seat. It seemed okay,
right? It's comfortable and lots of space. Enough for me or for a big child.
Yeah.
Kind of thing.
But I will say, the Bronco was set up like it had 110 volt outlets in the back seat and the front seat.
Dash.
Yeah, it had spots up in the front on top of the dash where you can mount a standard camera mount for like a standard vlogging camera or something like that, or you can put your GoPro up there along with a USB-C and a regular USB-A up on the dash. So like they thought everything through. And that's what I did kind of go through that. I got in there and looked at the different modes and went through the touch screen, and there's so much cool stuff going on in there. You can do the split screen selection where you can show nav on one side, or if you want to show your articulation on one side and have GPS on the other. Like, that screen and the touch sensitivity is absolutely amazing. I mean, everything just looks so cool on it. So doors are cool. There's no frame around the top of the doors. They're all kind of like a convertible where it's cut off and the window just comes up and down. Thank you.
Yeah, that is cool.
So They are super heavy though, the doors are.
Yeah, I tried to pick one up like in the bag and it was so heavy. Yeah. And comment to let us know what you're thinking on this new Bronco.
Yeah. What do you think about the Bronco?
Do you like it? What do you like?
Is it better than a Jeep or not?
Is it going to replace the Jeep?
It's not going to replace the Jeep because there's too many diehard Jeep people.
Okay.
Which is good. I mean, it's good that I think that Jeep is going to conquer the market for some time to come still. Is this a great competitor? I believe so. Is it going to take some market share from Jeep? I think so. Do I personally like it better than a Jeep? I think so. But I'm not a diehard Jeep guy. We got in a Jeep, we started filming these videos. Thank Jeep for that. I mean, I'm not a brand guy, we're not stuck to Jeep, and I just feel like the Bronco fits what we do better. We're not rock crawlers, we're not gonna go out and tear a bunch of shit up. We're just looking to go out, have a good time, have a smooth ride while we're doing it, and I absolutely love all the electronics. I'm an electronic geek. and there's some really cool features, guys, like this thing, with the turn radius. And we're going to show a little clip from Lite Brite. Check this out. The turn radius and the wheels locking on one side, and it makes for sharper turns. Unhooking the sway bar while you're in the middle of an obstacle. I mean, these things that Jeep is just not doing. The innovation's just not there because they don't have any competition. So watch for the Jeep to have some major upgrades in the next 5 years, because it's going to happen.
Yeah.
Anyway, we will close this thing out. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Hit the like button because you probably haven't already. There's too many people watching and not hitting the like button. Comment your thoughts below. Let us know. Are you going to buy a Bronco? Are you interested in a Bronco? Are you a diehard Jeep person, but you think the Bronco's kind of cool? Or do you hate them? Maybe we'll run a vote on that. Don't forget to turn notifications on. That lets you know when we have a new video out. If you hate the shorts, just don't watch them. The reason we're doing short videos, guys, is because YouTube's algorithm favors them right now, and it helps get our brand awareness out on Off-Road Recon. We're putting more videos out now than we ever have, and I'm talking full-blown long episodes. We're trying to make this thing a full-time job, and we're doing everything we can in our power, and part of that is putting out these shorts to bring awareness. I mean, our shorts are getting thousands and thousands of views every day. So, I'm sorry if you hate them. Please just skip ahead. If you wouldn't mind, it's only 15 to 30 seconds long. Watch it, hit the like button, and move on. It gives you guys kind of a sneak peek into whatever we're doing at that time.
Yeah.
So, the true fans, you're still watching right now. Thank you very much. And until next time,
We'll see you on the trail.
we will see you on the trail.
All right, Connie, those matches.